Are you a business owner looking to harness the power of online information for your company? A marketer who needs to access localized data without geo-restrictions, manage multiple social media accounts, or something else? Proxies can help you.
Welcome to the IPRoyal YouTube channel. Here we cover everything you need to know about IPRoyal residential proxies and our other services, along with various ways they can streamline your operations. You can learn how to scrape the web efficiently for useful data, improve your SEO efforts and increase online visibility, monitor any market for trends and other valuable insights, protect your brand and intellectual property, monitor marketing campaigns and prevent ad fraud, manage and automate social media without restrictions, and much more, all with our residential proxies.
At IPRoyal, we value transparency, offering compliant and certified proxies with industry-leading performance and features to help you grow your business. Aside from services they can count on, our clients get flexible pricing and customizable plans for an unmatched price-to-value ratio with zero contract obligations. But more importantly, we ensure each client gets personalized and responsive support around the clock. Our support team is available 24/7 and ready to help you make the most out of our services. Even our engineering teams and senior technicians are available to ensure your business can thrive.
Join thousands of clients worldwide who rely on us for their proxy needs, from startups to large international corporations. If you're looking for an ethical and compliant proxy service at a great price, you're in the right place.
Still trying to figure out where to start? Check out our videos to learn all about different types of proxies. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get all the latest news and updates. If you have questions about our services, don't hesitate to visit our website and contact us.